Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you a brand new 2026 Sea Ray. This is a 210 SPX that just came in today. Beautiful, nice blue hull with a sports tower and a bimini top. This boat is very equipped with a Sea Ray trailer as well with the nice mag wheels. Come around back, let me show you on the back side of the boat here. This boat has the sea deck on the back of the transom here, as well as through the walk-through. Got a nice cushion back here on the back so you can hang out in the sun and park out in the cove and hang out for the day. It's got the MerCruiser 4.5 MerCruiser, great motor, great for skiing, wakeboarding, or anything you want to do with that. Come on in, let me show you the boat. Up here in the boat now, right up here in the front of the bow, we've got the fill-in cushions in there already, but it has the integrated handrails and the speakers. It's a nice touch. The stitching on the inside gives it a nice look. This has the dune interior, so it looks really good with the black and the tan, and it matches the blue hull very nicely. Back here at the helm station, you've got the SIMRAD, GPS, everything, all of your diagnostics and everything will be on that screen for you. Easy to read. Then we have a Fusion stereo. This has a nice sounding stereo with a subwoofer. Got the sports tower here for towing, doing some wakeboarding or anything like that. It's great. Got plenty of storage underneath the port side as well. Here, let me show you this. You can put in all the filling cushions and everything in here. This has a flip bolster seat here. You can face forward, or you can face backwards if you're pulling somebody skiing. Has a nice squared off. The seating here gives you a lot of room. It just makes it feel a lot wider inside the boat. You have a nice walk through here too as well, so it's easy to get in and out of the boat. So if you have more questions on this boat, please come visit us here at MarineMax.